Hi everyone, welcome to my channel today. It's Lynn here. So in today's video I am popping on with a Christmas card. I have still got a couple to make. So this one has been requested from a friend of mine. She asked me if I could make a white on white Christmas card, and this is going to be it. So I'm starting with a 5 by 7 inch card blank. I've popped a piece of acetate onto the inside of my card, where I have cut this lovely window out into the card. So what this die does, it actually cuts the shape out into my card, and then I am left with the piece like this, which I am going to stick down like so back in to my card and on top of my acetate. Okay, so what I am going to do next is just stick this piece back in to my card, and then I am going to pop my little bits that have fallen out back inside here. So I've just popped a little bit of glue and stick those down. Okie dokie, so I've stuck all my pieces in, and next what I want to do is make a couple of little candles. Now then, you might have a candle die, I don't, so I'm just making some pillar candles, and all I've done is I've cut 3 strips of card, one at 1 inch by 2/8 of an inch, and 2 pieces at 2/8 of an inch by 1/2 an inch, and I'm going to use those as my candles. And then next what I want to do is make some little flames for my candle. So it's really easy to do. So all I've done is sort of come around like so, and then brought this side around and made the little shape like that. And I've done that 3 times, and I will cut those out and then I'll pop back. Okie dokie, so what I've done is I've got my 3 candles prepared, and I'm just going to pop the first one into the center. I've popped my glue on, so I'm going to pop this to the center of my window. Okie dokie, so I've popped my 3 candles in. So the second 2 I've just popped into the center of these 2 panels. The first one onto this little bit here. Then I've got my little flames. One of the flames I have made slightly bigger than the other 2, and I am just going to pop this into my center. So I will be popping it just onto this piece of card here, like so. Okie dokie, so I've popped my flames on there, and that is that little bit. The sun is in, it's out, I've got my light on, it's off, it's shining on my desk. What? I don't know. So I've popped my little flames on, and what I would like to do next is I've cut a load of little bits of foliage. I've got them all here. And what I'm going to do is start sticking these on. I will speed my camera up and then I'll be back. Okie dokie, so I've got all my foliage stuck on now. I've got some little white flowers and all I am going to do is pop a little bit of glue onto the back, and I'm going to pop my first one about there, like that. And all I've done is just shape these in my hand, just to give a little bit of dimension. Then I am going to pop one about there. So has everyone finished their Christmas cards? Or like me, have you still a couple to make? I always tell myself I'm going to get a good start earlier, but unfortunately I've been rather busy. Yeah. So, my next one, I am going to pop about there, like that. So next what I've done is I've taken some little pearls and popped them into the centres of my flowers. I've also taken this Merry Christmas sentiment. I've popped some glue down either side of the sentiment and just curved it in the middle and stuck it down onto my card, and yeah, there is my finished card. I hope my friend likes it. I'm sure she will. All she asked was, could I make a white on white card? She didn't say what she wanted on it or anything like that. So this is what I have come up with. You know, if I received a card like this, I would be over the moon. So yeah, that is it for my card making today. And the only other thing I have left to do today is open my Hotel Chocolat Advent Calendar Truffles for Two. I missed yesterday, so I've got two to open today. So it's so big, I can't get the whole thing in. So I've already opened doors 1 and 2. I didn't manage to get yesterday's open, so I'm going to open 3 and 4 today. So I've got my guesses written down, and I haven't got either of my first 2 days correct. So let's hope today might be a better guess. So I am going to go with Clementine for door number 3. So let me see. Where is door number 3? Yep, I think I can see it just here. So I'm going to open this up, and the chocolate today is, let me see, oh, pecan praline. Another one wrong. Oh, right. Oh, so this one is a dark chocolate. That looks absolutely gorgeous. and I will have a try. It is absolutely beautiful. It's delicious. The little pieces are sort of encapsulated inside the smooth inside of the truffle. And then door number 4 is, oh, now I'm struggling to see this one. Is it over this side? Right. Door number 4 is this one here. So my guess today is salted caramel. And it is, da 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 da, oh, Madagascar vanilla. Wrong again. Never mind, never mind. I'm thoroughly enjoying the chocolate. So this is a lovely white truffle with the dark chocolate running across the top. So I'm going to have a taste of this one. So I'm going to show you inside of this chocolate. It has got a gorgeous smooth center, and I can see the little pieces of vanilla in there. It's absolutely delightful. So yeah, that is it for today. I've caught up with my calendar and thoroughly enjoyed the chocolates, and I'll just pop my little card back in, and yeah, that is it. So I hope you have enjoyed my video today. If you have, would you give me a thumbs up, please? And also leave me a comment. I would really love to hear from you. And could I ask if you would consider subscribing to my channel? I would be really grateful for this. And yeah, thank you ever so much for joining me today. I will be back again soon. In the meantime, happy crafting. Have a wonderful day. Take care. See you all soon. And bye bye for now.